Is Eyewitness News at 5, and we are streaming live on CBS in Philly. Good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
I'm Jessica Cartalia. First at 5, COVID cases are skyrocketing. We reached a new milestone today in the tri-state region, the highest daily numbers of COVID cases since May. Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware each marked dramatic increases in positive tests, and that's following the national trend. Health reporter Stephanie Stahl joins us with the update. Hi, Stephanie.
Hi, Jessica. Compared to many other parts of the country, the Philadelphia region has higher vaccination rates, but that has not stopped this flood of new cases. The CDC COVID-19 transmission map has several additional local counties now in red, the highest level. The rest of the tri-state region is in the substantial range, shown in orange. Pennsylvania has 1,700 new cases, the largest one-day increase since late May. The state has averaged over 1,000 new cases in the last week. New Jersey also recorded the highest single-day number since May, with 1,300 new daily cases. It is a 367% increase from a month ago. Burlington and Cumberland counties now join Cape May as hotspots. And in Delaware, Kent County has moved into the red high range.
Things have significantly changed in terms of the number of positive cases.
Governor Carney says there's been an 80% increase in COVID cases in Delaware. Much of the blame falls on younger people who are not vaccinated. The governor said he's considering a number of new requirements.
This Delta variant is spreading among that population of Delawareans who are unvaccinated. And so those folks that are unvaccinated are prolonging the pandemic. They're bringing us to a place where we have to reconsider mitigation efforts.
Nationally, the latest models project there could be from 350,000 to 1.8 million new COVID cases by the end of August. And deaths could follow, with up to 9,100 new deaths.
These cases are concentrated in communities with low vaccination rates.
The White House COVID-19 response team said the Delta variant continues to drive the spike in cases.
Across the board, we are seeing increases in cases and hospitalizations in all age groups.
And concerned about low vaccination rates among teenagers, the White House today launched a new program to get more vaccinated before school starts, and that is in just a couple of weeks. Jessica?
Stephanie, thank you.